Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to sign up for OpenAI ChatGPT. Search for OpenAI ChatGPT. Open the ChatGPT page. Click on Try ChatGPT. It asks for login or sign up. Click on Sign Up. If you have Google account, I assume everyone does. Click on Continue with Google. Choose the account that you wish to use for the sign up. It asks to provide your phone number. Enter it and click on Send Code. Enter your code once you receive it on your mobile. Hola, you are in. It prompts some basic notes. Read it and click on Next. Now, your ChatGPT is ready to play around.